You all need to stop looking at the forest and think about the trees. Sorry, I'm not gonna get too philosophical here or anything. This is about organizing. I think we're at like part 17 of like 24 easy and attainable organizing ideas for 2024. This is the one I want to focus on today. Don't let all the other organizing projects and things you have to do in your home prevent you from doing like the one little project you know you can tackle right now. It's okay to take the easy win sometimes. I'm home with my kid for a ped day, so I got a late start on like tidying up and doing all my regular house stuff I do. A little one-on-one time and some shopping with her. I came home and I really need to tidy up the kitchen, but I opened this drawer here and it really needs some organizing love. So instead of using that like justification, like, oh, I have to do this and this and this to be able to do this one drawer because if I do something here, then it's gonna affect all that. I'm just gonna say, you know what, forget about it. I'm gonna take 5 minutes and I'm gonna tackle this drawer right now. Before, right, and here is the after. Obviously I timed myself and it was actually 7 minutes and 26 seconds. Let me show you a little bit about what I did here. So I have some bins in here. It's a taller drawer, so I use some taller bins like this to give it some structure. And I also have this spring-loaded drawer divider here as well. So this way we're able to kind of keep everything in place and yet still be able to access everything. I still obviously have a bunch of other stuff to tidy up and do today. This one small project is done and off of my list. So let me know what small 5 to 10 minute project you can knock off your list today, and like and follow to keep getting organized with me.